Welcome back to another show and tell video. Today we're taking a look at something from SUREFIRE. This is the M640 DFT Pro Turbo from the Scout Lights series. And this particular version is dual fuel, so you could run it off of two CR123s, but they do recommend you use a single 18650 size cell. And this one, I believe, is 1,000 lumens. There are, again, a large variety of lights available from SUREFIRE, depending on your mission needs. This one, as you can see here, it does have a KE2 dual fuel head. You see there a little scannable QR code there. SUREFIRE Scout Light. This one does use the ST07 Tailcap to switch series, single button. There is no hold down button, so you would manually have to activate it and hold it down. And depending on how you want to wire it up, it does include a couple of rail adaptable clamps, or you could tape it down. This one just happens to be in a cloud defensive kind of a switch mount. This one is an LCS Mark 1. And this also has its own rail mount, so you can put it wherever you want on your item of choice. And you can see here it does have its own knurled attachment knob, and it is quickly able to apply on and off. So depending on whether you want to run it on the right side, left side, top or bottom, or at one of the o'clock angles, that's up to you, and what is the available mounting points on your item of choice. But taking a very quick look at the SUREFIRE M640 DFT Dual Fuel Turbo Pro Series light from the Scout Light series. This has been another show and tell video. Feel free to check out other show and tell videos in the channel. We also do unboxing videos as well as selection of book review meter reviews. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.